Course title CCTV Installation and Smart Automation. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Gene Kabila, and I will be your course preceptor for the course CCTV Installation and Smart Automation. The world is increasingly becoming interconnected, technology-driven, and security-conscious. In both residential and commercial environments, security, monitoring, and automation have become top priorities. The CCTV Installation and Smart Automation course is designed as an extensive, hands-on, and technically rich program that prepares learners to master the art, science, and technology of installing, configuring, and maintaining surveillance systems and smart automation solutions. This course combines practical electrical knowledge, networking, security protocols, system integration, and modern IoT, Internet of Things applications to give you a comprehensive mastery of how security and smart systems function in the real world. Purpose of the course: to equip you with advanced technical skills in the planning, design, installation, troubleshooting, and maintenance of CCTV and smart automation systems. To bridge the gap between traditional electrical trades and modern digital technology by merging surveillance expertise with smart home/office automation knowledge. To prepare participants for industry relevance in sectors such as residential security, commercial facility management, corporate offices, industrial complexes, hospitality, retail, banking, educational institutions, and government facilities. To create entrepreneurs and service providers who can independently run installation businesses, consult, or provide technical solutions in the smart technology sector. In summary, this course is not just about CCTV installation, it is about mastering the future of security and automation, blending physical hardware with digital intelligence. It prepares you to become world-class technicians, integrators, and solution providers in the modern security and smart automation industry. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.